yung boyfriend mo nasa ibang lugar, naalala nyo ba yun noon na walang cellphone? Ano lang yung sa, pumunta ka sa PLDT, di ba? Good morning, guys! Good morning! Ano na, guys? Today is Wednesday. Nagsisweater pa rin ako sa kahapon na sweater kasi sobrang lamig, guys. It's 14 degree pero yung feel sa labas mga 5. As in, sobrang lamig. I'm just going to have some breakfast. The same thing. Always same. Kailangan ko ng egg. Oh my God. All the time. I need to like, yung kapag nalabas ako, alamin ko lahat talaga kung ano yung kulang. So, kakagising ko lang guys, na long time ago. And then, pinakain ko lang yung 4 kong anak. And yun. Plano akong pumunta dun sa isang bahay. Pero hindi today. Baka bukas until Friday. So, bukas ata alis ako. Punta ko dun. And yun. Luto tayo ng egg. Egg. Kung mag-ulan at saka maginaw. Kapag mag-ulan guys at saka maginaw, parang delikado. Pero tignan natin kung anong temperature bukas kapag, di ba, kapag uulan. Yun naman lang yun ang ano. Yun ang report ko, ulan daw. Hello guys, uy, I was dreaming last night guys. It was really bad. My dream. Kaloka eh. May pinatay. May pinatay daw ako guys. Uy, hindi ko alam kung sino guys. May pinatay daw ako. Hello eh. Ano ako guys, yung this morning, yung paggising, yung nagising ako after dreaming, I was really like, oh my God, hindi ako mapakali ba? Parang talagang totoo yung ginawa ko. Totoo ba yun? Totoo ba yun? So yun, para akong natulala talaga. Kisses, mama. You give mama kisses. You give mama kisses. Ano po? Special dog. Hi guys! Hello guys! Hello guys! Paa. I need to cut this area here up, so need cutting, baby. Ito siya. Pagkagwapa na lang kayo niya akong baby, guys. Oh, ala. Who's Mama's little princess? Who's Mama's little princess? Guys, this one, guys. Princess. They're all princesses. Yan yun to, guys. Una, mag-wild man lagi dayon ba? Hi, Mitch! Hi guys, kain tayo. Ito yung ulam ko guys. Ang sarap nito guys. Humba, rice, and egg. So, ito yun sila. Yan. At saka meron akong sausawan doon. Sarap. Kailangan ko ng, ang sarap. Fried rice pala siya guys. Ito siya. Kain tayo. Yung egg ko, runny. So, i-mix natin sa rice. Guys, who is excited to see the 50 Shades of Grey? This coming, probably you seen this already. Out na yung movie. The 50 Shades of Grey na nagpakasal sila. Si Mrs. Grey na siya. Ay, nako. Excited ako, pero hindi ko alam kung makikita ko siya. So, kung pinakurat. At gusto kong may gusto kong may sasabihin din about sa, naalala ko nun guys, yung ko, ang sarap ng egg. Anyway, bago natin pag-usapan yung naalala ko, ba't hindi nakapokus sa akin? Doon siya nakapokus sa fried rice. Ang inano ko pala sa fried rice is yung oil, a lot of garlic, at saka onion and garlic powder. And yung seasoning ko na Maggi Savor. Maliit yun. Ground pepper. And then, yun lang. May naalala pala ako guys, yung, first year, yung boyfriend mo nasa ibang lugar. Naalala nyo ba yun noon na walang cellphone? Ano lang yung sa, pumunta ka sa PLDT, di ba? May PLDT, may sa labas ng PLDT, may payphone. Iwan ko kung ako lang ba yung naka-experience. Kasi may mga cellphone na doon, pero wala akong cellphone kasi first year high school. Wala akong pang-paaral. Nagkaano kami, parang nagkahiwalay ng lugar ba? Pumunta ako sa isang lugar para lang continue ng study ng to second year. So, nakilala ko siya nung first year. Ang ano ko lang gustong sabihin, I don't know kung ako lang ba yung naka-experience ng payphone para lang makausap ng distance yung boyfriend sa ibang city. Wala, uy, sarap nito. Ano? Humba ba? May taba-taba pa siya konti. Ay, nako. Busog. Andito yung dalawa. Oh, andito yung si Hab. Ay, nako. Oh my God. It's so excited yung Nokia sa atin, yung Nokia 5110i. Excited ako. Yung auntie ko, nagka-cellphone siya. Noon ng, I think, yeah. Yung may antenna. So excited. Kasi, you know, bihira lang yung mga tao magka-cellphone, di ba? At saka ang mahal-mahal pa nung time na yun. Yung cellphone na yun. Yung Nokia. Yung may antenna. Sarap, sarap. Oh my God. Filipino breakfast ito na food. Pero lunch na kasi. Filipino lunch. Inom tayong tubig. Ang dry-dry ng area ko dito. Sobrang dry. Pag hawakan ko, sobrang rough siya. As in. Kung inilagay ko siya sa ilalim ng blanket, yung madadala yung mga ng blanket ko. May lotion naman ako, pero sobrang dry talaga. Oh my God. Sarap talaga siya. Tapos, ito. My son is begging, so bigyan ko siya konti. Yung unod. Huwag yung fat. Behave. No. No. Okay. Misty. Oh, you like it? Perfect combination. Roxy want bouncy. Suro want a Roxy. Roxy wants some bouncy, bouncy, boon. She boon, she boon. Perfect combination. The best you and me. Baby combination. Roxy wants some bouncy. Roxy wants some bouncy. Roxy wants some bouncy. Roxy wants some bouncy. High notes, Roxa. High notes. High notes. Misty wants some bouncy. Want to go out this way? Do you wanna go out this way? Do you wanna go out? Do you want to go out this way? Guys, tignan nyo na ako, guys. Ganito yung life ko, guys. Oy, tignan nyo. Oh, may mga karas-karas. Who's a good girl? Let's go get Dada. You wanna go get Dada? Dada? Dada coming. Dada coming. Sabi niya, liar. 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 Watch attack. Where? Where's the attack? Hello, why am I alone? Hello, 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 hello. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, somebody's helping me. Hello, 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 Rick, hello, hello, ginawa ko. Restore in 7 seconds. Oh my goodness. Not valid target. It is not valid target. Oh my god. Hi guys, nalulubat ako guys. I was playing a Mobile Legends. I don't really know how to play this game, but it's fun guys. Honestly, it's fun. Naginataan ako ng yung ginataang kalbasa, 'di ba? At saka yung mix na. Masarap siya, guys. Nasarapan si Tami, so buti na lang. But anyway, kakain lang ako at manonood ng news. At saka bukas, kita-kits tayo bukas. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Sana hindi kayong mabubore sa vlog. And for sure, this vlog is gonna be, I'm going to add something different because it's nothing much going on today. And I know it. And anyway, so I will see you tomorrow. Kakain lang ako, and yeah, bye guys. Good night. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bukas na naman. Bye-bye. Hi guys, gusto akong mag-insert para sa mga magpapa-shoutout. Thierry Salita, happy wedding anniversary sis. 37th wedding anniversary ninyo. Hi, thank you for watching. And also hi to Lita Gali. And also hi to Lil Genie 172 Dimidi. Hi sis, thank you for watching. Or yung pangalan niya is si Jolia May de la Serna. And also hi to Florian V. Lumibao. Hi! And also hi to Darlene Patanaw from Florida, or sa sister niyang si Rodeline Patanaw from Florida. Hi! Hi guys! Thank you for watching guys. Hi to Alicia Tubusa. Hi Alicia. Hi to Garnet Ogis. Hi sis! Thank you for watching from Dubai. Hi to Edna Intia. Hi sis! Thank you for watching. Hi to Charmaine Patunungon. Hi! Hi to Edita Diocariza. Hi sis! Hi to Jeans Labrador. Hi to Josefina Aligato Pumarada. Hi sis! Hi to Leslie La Acido from Fukuoka, Japan. Hi sis! Thank you for watching. Hi to Luida Suilo at saka also sa love daw niyang si Tom Wilson from Indiana. Hi guys, thank you for watching. Hi to Celeste Pirocho. Hi sis, thank you for watching. Hi to Beams Life in Netherlands. And yun daw yung channel niya. Hi sis, keep vlogging lang sis. You know, keep vlogging, subscriber will come talaga. And slowly but surely. But anyway guys, thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys sa susunod na vlog. Salamat guys sa panonood. Bye guys. Bye bye.